What is up, you magnificent mythical beasts of nostalgia? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the pixelated, stretchy, and unforgettable world of our childhoods. We're unboxing some of the most iconic toys that defined a generation. Remember that birthday morning thrill of tearing open a new toy? We're chasing that feeling today. Each box is packed with memories, scraped knees, rainy day masterpieces, and the epic responsibility of digital pets. As we unbox these relics, I want to hear from you. What was your absolute favorite childhood toy? Drop it in the comments. Let's turn the comment section into a digital toy box of memories. Ready? Let's get into it. First up, the Rubik's Cube. A puzzle that stumped and thrilled us for decades. Those primary colors, the stiff turning, just holding it brings back memories. If you could solve it, you were a playground legend. If not, well, there's always sticker peeling. Invented in 1974 by Erno Rubik, it started as a teaching tool for geometry, not a toy. When it hit the market in 1980, it became a global craze, 350 million sold. Speed cubers, competitions, and solution books followed. It was the fidget spinner of its time, but way more challenging. I remember twisting for hours, getting one side right, then ruining it trying for the next. It taught us humility, perseverance, or creative cheating. Let's see if I've improved. Nope. Still chaos. But that clicky sound? Pure nostalgia. The Rubik's Cube. A beautiful, infuriating classic. Did you ever solve it, or were you a sticker peeler too? Let us know in the comments. On to the next. Next, the Tamagotchi, a tiny egg that made us all digital parents. The panic of that beep in class, unmatched. Feed it, clean it, play with it, discipline it. Your pet's fate was in your hands. Forget to care for it, you'd get a pixelated tombstone and a lesson in responsibility. Schools banned them, teachers confiscated them, and we all tried to sneak in a feeding under the desk. The evolution paths were a mystery. Your care determined if you got a cute or weird creature. It was a badge of honor to keep yours alive. Let's power this one up. There it is. The little egg wiggles and suddenly I feel responsible again. Naming it, feeding it. Can I do better as an adult? Maybe. Maybe not. Did your Tamagotchi survive, or did you join the digital pet graveyard? Share your stories below. Let's hatch some memories. Now, the original Nintendo Game Boy, a gray brick that opened up entire worlds. Portable gaming was revolutionary. Tetris, Mario, Pokemon, hours vanished in a green-tinted blur. The sound of a Tetris line clear. Legendary. This thing was indestructible. 4 AA batteries, and you'd play until the screen faded to black. Tilting it toward the light for just one more minute. Classic struggle. Let's fire it up. That startup sound still works. The graphics were simple, but our imaginations filled in the rest. The Game Boy wasn't just a toy, it was a ticket to adventure. What was your favorite Game Boy game? Drop it in the comments. Let's keep playing. Next, the Light Bright, a light box, black paper, and a rainbow of plastic pegs. Punching pegs through paper to create glowing art was pure magic. Pre-printed patterns were fun, but going freestyle, that's where creativity shined. Running out of the right color peg? Improvise. Maybe the sun is green today. Cleanup meant finding pegs in the carpet for weeks. Unboxing, this is like opening a time capsule. The smell of warm plastic, the gentle glow. Let's plug it in. There it is, that iconic light. Simple, hands-on creativity. Timeless. What did you make with your Light Bright? Share your masterpieces below. Now, let's see what's next. Onward. Time for Stretch Armstrong, the muscle-bound, stretchy legend. Filled with corn syrup, he could stretch 4 feet and snap back to shape. The ultimate test. 2 friends, 4 limbs, and a contest of strength. You could tie him in knots, use him as a slingshot, or just marvel at his weirdness. But beware the leak. A puncture meant sticky disaster and a fallen hero. Let's stretch him out, still as weird and wonderful as ever. He's cold, heavy, and oddly comforting. Did your stretch survive, or did he meet a gooey end? Tell us your Stretch Armstrong stories. Some toys are just unforgettable. On to the next classic. Let's keep going. Now, the Easy Bake Oven, a rite of passage for aspiring chefs. A single light bulb baked tiny cakes and cookies. The results? Questionable, but deliciously yours. Mixing powder, water, and hope, you'd wait forever for your treat to bake. The anticipation was half the fun. The cakes were dense, the frosting odd, but you made it yourself, and that was magic. Unboxing this brings back the smell of childhood baking experiments. Tiny pans, tiny bowls, and classic cake mixes. Nostalgia in a box. We won't risk baking with 30-year-old mix, but just holding it takes me back. Did you have an Easy Bake Oven? What was your best or worst creation? Share your kitchen memories below. Let's see what's next in the toy box. Moving on. Enter Polly Pocket, tiny clamshells hiding entire miniature worlds. Open one up, and suddenly, you're in a dollhouse, a castle, or a tropical island. Polly herself was less than an inch tall, pegging into scenes for endless adventures. The details were incredible. Hidden rooms, moving parts, tiny secrets, everywhere. But beware, lose Polly, and she's gone forever, swallowed by the carpet or vacuum. Let's open this party house compact. There's Polly, still inside. The engineering is mind-blowing for something so small. Did you collect Polly Pockets? Ever lose a character to the abyss? Share your stories below. These toys were tiny, but the memories are huge. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Now, to the playground, where Pogs ruled. Collecting, trading, and slamming these cardboard discs was serious business. The game was simple: stack, slam, and keep what you flip. But the real obsession was collecting. Thousands of designs, rare slammers, and high-stakes trades. Your collection was your identity. The sound of a slammer hitting the stack. Instant nostalgia. Let's open this tube. The designs, the smell of ink, takes me right back. Did you play for keeps, or just for fun? What was your prized Pog or slammer? Share your playground stories below. The muscle memory is real. Next up. Time for the Etch-a-Sketch, the red-framed, gray-screen drawing marvel. 2 knobs, 1 unbroken line, and endless creative frustration. Drawing anything but boxes was a challenge. A perfect circle was legendary. The magic, shake it, and your masterpiece disappears. Instant reset. The feel of the knobs, the resistance, the satisfaction of a clean slate. Let's try writing my name. Still blocky, still fun. Did you master the Etch-a-Sketch, or just make staircases like me? Share your best or worst creations below. The power to create and erase. What a toy. Ready for the grand finale? Let's do it. Onward. For our final classic, the Slinky, a simple coil with mesmerizing moves. Invented by accident, it became a legend for its stair-walking trick. Finding the perfect staircase was a childhood quest. The sound, the feel, the endless flipping, pure satisfaction. But beware the tangle. One wrong move, and your Slinky was doomed. Let's unbox this metal classic. That sound is instant ASMR. No stairs here, but just pouring it from hand to hand is magic. Sometimes, the simplest toys are the most timeless. Did your Slinky survive, or did it end in a tangled mess? Share your Slinky stories below. That's a wrap on our toy museum. But wait, one last thing. Let's rewind. And just like that, our nostalgia trip ends. From Rubik's Cube to Slinky, these toys unlock memories we didn't know we still had. Now it's your turn. What toy do you wish you could unbox again? Drop your story in the comments. Let's build the ultimate digital toy chest together. Thanks for joining this blast from the past. If you had fun, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more adventures. We've got more boxes to open and memories to share. Until next time, stay awesome, and keep playing.